exact strategies. Go from where you are right now, going 10 times that. This isn't about money. You guys hear me talk about money all the time? Money is code for freedom. Thank you so much for having me here. God bless you. I appreciate you coming. Let's 10X the world.
Grant and Elena have talked a lot about proximity, and you're going to get the chance to be on this stage next year.
This is how you're going to be successful, folks.
I'll fly to wherever it is because of the value that you get when you come to something like this.
It has far exceeded my expectations of what I ever could have imagined.
Today's day 2. I could leave right now and it would already be worth it.
Grant Cardone, he's going to 10X your life. He 10X my life, he 10X my dad's life, 10X my mom's life.
10X my income, 10X my life, and 10X my future family, man. That's what it's all about, man.
Let's go! 10X, baby, let's go!
Be so obsessed with the idea of freedom and making a difference. Do what I shared with you. Do what the speaker shared with you. I promise you, your life will get 10X better.